Good morning, students. Here the question goes like this. The altitude and the base of a triangular field are in the ratio 6 is to 5. If the cost is rupees 49 lakh 57,200 at the rate of rupees 36,720 per hectare and 1 hectare equal to 10,000 square meter, find in meter dimension of the field. So area is equal to total cost of the field by the rate. So 49 lakh 57,200 divided by 36,720 and it is coming 135 hectare, and it is already given 1 hectare equal to 10,000 square meter. Therefore 135 hectare equal to 135 into 10,000, that is 135. This it is coming like 13 lakh 50,000 meter square. Now area formula is altitude is given, so I will apply half into base into height formula. So area already I got 135,000 equal to half into 6x into 5x. So it is coming 15x square. So 135,000 divided by 15 is equal to x square. So 90,000 equal to x square. Therefore x is coming as 300. They want to know the dimension. So therefore altitude was 6x. So 6 into 300 meter square is equal to 1800 meter square, and base equal to 5 into 300 meter square equal to 1500 meter square. See the next sum. A figure is given and they have asked to use the information given in the adjoining figure to find the length of AC. You can see a triangle ABC is 90 degree at B, and from B a perpendicular is drawn on AC, that is BD. Length of BC is 7 cm, length of AB is 24 cm. So first question was to find the length of AC. By applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So 24 square plus 7 square, it is coming 576 plus 49 equal to 625. Therefore AC equal to root over 625 and AC equal to 25 centimeter. So I got the value of AC. Now area of ABC, I know half into base into height. So if my AB is the base, so my height is BC. So half into 24 into 7, so 84 centimeter square is the area of the figure. Now they want to know the length of BD. We have learned earlier that BD is the height when AC is the base. If I take AC as base, the opposite side, the length from its vertex, that is BD. So the length of BD, that is height equal to 2 into area by base. So 2 into 84 by 25. So 168 by 25, it is 6.7. And they want the answer in 1 decimal, that is 6.7 centimeter. Thank you, students.